there are currently no power options available. Error on Windows. 1. Disable, remove and prevent access to the shutdown, restart, sleep, and hibernate commands at user configuration administrative template start menu and taskbar in badite.msc. Local policy editor. Restart your system. 2. Set 0 to no close string at hkey_current_user \software \Microsoft \Windows \current version \policies \explorer in registry editor. 3. .1 Run Power Restore Default Schemes command as admin. 3.2 Run the Power Troubleshooter. 4 Run sfc/scanop. Command as administration. 5. Perform system restore. 6. Reset, reinstall your system.